Today we are doing keyboard stuff again, but today is not for me. This keyboard for Brin 1. Yeah, but I have to. Okay, let's open this keyboard. Is the Vortex series VX5 or Vortex series VX5. It's very nice keyboard. Okay, first we should take off all the keycaps first. Yesterday I modded the same keyboard, the same type of keyboard, but that one is the white variant, and that one is not for a commission, it's just for myself. Okay, go back to doing keyboard stuff. Not this one. Oh. Not even. It's on. It's the first. Off the. Pop. Yeah, there. Wow. Nice plate, man. Solid. Just trace it slowly. Well, I will be using 2mm EVA foam for the dampening of this keyboard. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. For this keyboard, I'll be lubing the switches with Krytox 205G0 for the bottom housing and the stem, and Krytox GPL 105 for the spring. The springs will be bag lubed. Okay, we are done. I will start putting the keycaps on. What color do you want for the spacebar?
Spacebar putih. Kebalik ya, kebalik.
Kebalik, okay.
You know kebalik, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, diputar.
Oh, so you hear that sound?
No.
Hear from the stream later. It's pretty.
No, I mute the stream nanti echo.
You apa? Okay. There, your keyboard is done now.
Oh, not bad.
Not bad. Do RGB test.
Kebalik, spacebarnya mending kayak gitu tuh dibalikin normal.
I say more comfortable if it's upside down like this.
Yeah, it doesn't look pleasing, but it's fine.
It feels better. It looks good. Okay. Typing test. Okay. Hey, where's the cable? Let's plug this in. RGB test.
Kabelnya putih or hitam?
Hitam.
Better.
I mean, where are you gonna get a white cable?
From punya lo.
I'm using my white cable.
So we can switch.
I don't need a black cable.
Okay. Not bad.
Can you hear from the stream?
I need the stream.
Watch from your laptop.
Can you hear from the stream? Watch from your laptop.
I'm gonna turn off this Discord phone, yeah? Goodbye. We'll discuss payment later. Okay, let us testing Brian's keyboard. Okay. You like that sound, Bri? Let's try what, yeah. Wait, not all the keycaps are pressed down properly. Okay. Let's try stabilize. Let's try ini. I forgot to do keyboard test. Keyboard tester. Comparison with your other keyboard. Which one? Mine? This one? Later lah. I'll compare with this one later. For now, we must do keyboard tester. We must make sure all this thingy works. Okay. Yeah, everything works. Let's try comparison. Oh, not VX4. Iya, VX5 ini. Ini VX5. This is mine. And then this is yours. Let's try to compare with my other brown switch. Escape better. I think item black is better. It looks cooler. Let's try with this keyboard compare. Your keyboard is a lot better than this. How come, yeah? I put so much effort into this keyboard. Your keyboard sounds so much better. How come? It sounds so dooky, you know? So talky. I like it, I like it. I like it. Should I pack it now? Is this good enough, Bri? Let's do one more sound test. Let's do RGB. RGB. Ooh, my camera cannot capture that properly. It's brubbeting. Wait, what if I do this? Then focus. That is clean. Okay, lights on. Mic back to normal position. Camera focus adjusted to. Okay. Thank you for your kind order, Mr. Prin. We will be packing your keyboard now. We will be putting it back inside the box. Where's the packaging? Here's the packaging for the box. Never mind. Okay, thank you for your order, Brin. It seems streaming until here today. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget, like, comment, follow, and subscribe. Bye bye.